Sa pang napansin ko rito is yung kanyang noise background, no? I think kailangan mo ng separate audio when you are recording kasi yung ambient noise, ibig sabihin yung ambient noise yung mga naririnig niya, no? Na nasasagap niya sa labas ng area nitong pagre-recording mo is super lakas, no? So I think you need to have, when you are creating a content, of course, kakailanganin mo ng separate audio recording para mawala yung ambient noise, no? Mabuti kung gagamitin mo lang na hindi mo kailangan yung audio. Pero kung naka-record siya at gaya niyan, yung hangin, yung wind, I think pretty much sure naririnig niya yan. Malinaw sa kanya yan. And that will be a no-no when you are creating a content, no? So